Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to check your graphics card in Windows 10 and 11. Knowing the type of graphics card or GPU on your computer can be really helpful, especially if you want to check whether your device meets the requirements for a game, certain software, or even to upgrade your drivers. Let's get started. Head to the bottom left corner of your screen and click on the search bar or the magnifying glass icon. Type Device Manager and click on the option when it appears. Once the Device Manager opens, look for an option labeled Display Adapters in the list. Click the small arrow to the left to expand it. Here, you will see the name of your graphics card. For example, on my computer, I have an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060, or you might see something like Intel UHD graphics depending on what your computer has. For more details, right-click on the graphics card's name and choose Properties. In the Properties window, you can view details about the device, update drivers, or even troubleshoot any issues. And that's it. Now you know how to check your graphics card in Windows 10 and 11.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.